What's good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. Now look, I know I'm not standing up and all that other good shit, right? I actually just got back in the house, and right now it is like 10:40, and I have homework and I have shit I have to do that's due tonight. So I'm making this really quick. I'm making this a Saturday night. I spent the day with Savage Beauty. We was chilling, we was kicking it or whatever. I didn't feel like vlogging that shit either, so you're not gonna see it. But I just got this package and it was over her crib. So like, I ain't gonna fake. I kinda wanted to open that shit ASAP. So I came home, set up one YouTube light, and I got my regular lamp light on. So if the quality is trash, I'm sorry. I just really wanted to see these. And I got my work shirt in the background, like shit all fucked up. I know you see it. I get it. I understand. This isn't the usual video, and I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. But I wanted to see these. So we gotta send a shout out to them boys over at StockX. And let's get straight into this shoe. As soon as I pull it out, y'all gonna know what it is, just because of the box. But I don't think I've ever discussed these. I haven't talked about these. I don't think I've even mentioned that these were coming out. Like I haven't done like what's on my cop list or anything else, just because I don't be having time to do that shit. But yeah, we gonna get straight to these, and I'm gonna give y'all my first thoughts on them. Cause I've seen reviews, but I haven't seen good enough on feet. So all I've seen is like images, and the images was kind of trash too. So we gonna get into these, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I think. So off the top, this box is okay. People kind of been hyping this shit, hyping the box up. I don't know why, but it's just plain to me. Well, never mind. Okay, I see why. This shit feels nice. I ain't gonna fake. This box feels nice as fuck. So I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. I'm pretty sure y'all see the letter. All white. And when I flip this bitch, you already gonna know. Padders. We got the Padder 7s. Now, let's get into my first thoughts and opinions. Because like I said, I haven't even seen these in person. This box is fire. I ain't gonna fake it. When I said it was okay, it's just because I was like, it's just a damn shoe on the box. It just says what shoe is on the box. Like, what's the big fucking deal? But the more I look at it and feel it, the more I'm like, okay, this is legit. This is what's up. So let's get straight into it. Padder 7s. Okay, the packaging is there. The packaging is there for sure. Okay, so I'll give them that. It's lit as far as packaging goes. So once again, like I said, shout out to the boys at StockX. Shout out to y'all. There's the how much I paid card. I get into that in the video. The official review. So woo! Shit. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't know. I'm not sick. It's just something. My throat is really fucked up. For some reason, I don't know what's wrong. But okay. Okay. I'm feeling these. Oh my god. These materials. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, Jordan Brand. Okay. Okay. I see. Okay. I feel it. I'm digging it. Whew. My god. These. Wow. Okay. Y'all, I've never like really been like shook off of materials, but Nick. They did. They motherfucking did. I give it that. Okay, Jordan Brand, come through with the materials then one time for the one time. Shit. I'm feeling, I'm with it. I'm down. Jordan Brand said they want to smoke with y'all niggas that keep talking about their materials ain't hitting. Whoo, shit. Damn, these Jones hard. Fuck. These bitches crack. God damn. That joke butters. Like, they remind you of some butters. And then this, it's so soft. It's like velvet. Is that velvet? Damn. Oh, okay, Jordan Brand. Okay. Y'all won with this one. This one, yeah. Y'all won. Y'all won. Hello? Who this? This Jordan Brand. Oh, yeah, y'all niggas is winning on this one. Y'all might not win on everything with them trash ass Ferrari 14 reverses. Yeah, them shits were trash, but these Pata 7s, these shits lit. But bro, these bitches hard. I know I keep saying that, but bro, honestly, y'all have never seen me really call a shoe hard like that or like give a legit reaction to this shoe. Man, these hoes fire, bro. Damn. I ain't gonna fake. This might be top 3 shoe of the year off top. Materials alone. My damn. And then the color block. Damn. I'm not even sizing. I ain't gassing Jordan Brand up. None of that shit. If you get the chance just to hold these in hand, bro, you will understand, bro. Like, especially if you a material like person and you love feeling good materials. These shits crack, dude. Oh my god. Damn. These shits hard, bro. Damn. Like, I usually don't get like this with shoes. Y'all know this. I'd be like, oh, they straight, they cool, they whatever. And I tell you if a shoe trash. But damn. These really, for real, if this pattern wasn't right there, just my first thoughts, this the damn Travis Scott 7. I don't care. If pattern wasn't right here and on this box, this shit would have been called the Travis Scott 7s. I'm telling you, bro, you can't say this ain't the Travis Scott 7. Like, just don't look at this or like the pattern logo. Don't look at that. There's no way you can say this ain't the Travis Scott 7. It's the same brown. It's the same red. This, man, I don't know. I probably never get the Travis Scott 7, so this is probably the closest I said Travis Scott 7. The Travis Scott 1s, but I am perfectly fine with these, cause damn, if the materials on these hit like this, I know them Travis Scott 1s is fire, bro, but I just can't pay them bands, nigga. Bands will make them dance, nigga, and ain't nobody dancing for me then, shit. But man, these guys is hard, dude. These guys is hard. You gotta pull these bitches out special occasions only. And then the shimmery ass tongue. Nigga. This shit look like Cristal. This some bubbly ass wine on the tongue. You know what I'm saying? Like this joint bloop bloop. Like we bottle popping, nigga. Like this the just graduated jump. You know, you just graduated. You got that bachelor's, nigga. That professor that kept bullshitting that you was about to throw hands with. He gave you that B that you needed to pass, and that was your last class. That's what these is. The bubblies, nigga. They got the bubblies on the tongue. Not only they got the bubblies, bruh. To compliment the bubblies, Nigga, they got the buttery ass steak. The buttery ass steak. You know, you that shit so, man, that shit so juicy and tender, boy. You cut that shit with the fork. You don't even need the knife, cuz. You take a bite, that shit melt. You heard me. You hear me? Damn, these bitches hard, cuz. Woo! This review gonna be fat. I already know. But bro, these are hard. And I'm gonna get off camera because I know I'm just rapping. But I'm really not gassing this shoe up whatsoever. Jordan Brand, y'all did good with this one, bro. Y'all killed this shit. Y'all murdered this shit. This shit cold, boy. This shit cold. So you know what, man? I can't wait to do this review because I'm gonna actually do homework on the shoe and on the company and make sure I know details and shit, to where they help y'all out. And if y'all like the different scenery, to where background ain't all serious on my usual background, it's just like one of these first reactions type things, just go ahead and leave it in the comments, let me know. And what I've been thinking about doing is, instead of like doing like, oh, just an unboxing, like I'm gonna give y'all like, oh, first reactions on the blah blah blahs, and then do the review. You know what I'm saying? And then the on feet. So if y'all would like that more than like clickbait, let me know. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get up out of here. This is the Panda 7. Whew. First thoughts and reactions, man. God dang, these songs hard, cuz. These songs hard. But yeah, man, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe, so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. I already know the best squad on YouTube. You wanna follow me on anything, you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all so much, and I love these so much. It's well worth it. What else I missed? Oh, shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces, and shout out to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. We be playing games and shit. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here because my voice is going, and like I said, I got homework, and I already spent too much time talking about this junk. But these hard. These definitely. This on feet gonna be 5. I'm already letting y'all know it's gonna be 5. I'm gonna give y'all as many looks as possible. So just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Damn, these songs cold, boy.